Good day everyone, I am Efraim Perez Rondina. Together with me is Mr. Mansilagan, Mr. Nuto, Mr. Zulita, Miss Yap, and Miss Naive, and we are from BIS DC1A, and we are going to discuss media and convergence. Media and convergence is a theory in communication studies where it is believed that every mass medium available at present will eminently be combined to create a new medium that will provide the services supplied by every mass medium. This is due to the continuous advancement of discovery of new technology that made mass media be possible to be accessed by the audiences through a single tool. Media convergence made it easier for the audience to be exposed to different processes of information, as this theory deals with the concept of mass media being known as one. Unlike before, it is difficult for us to determine samples of text, pictures, moving pictures, or sound for each of them, developed through different types of medium and comes with different sources. But media convergence has made it into reality where, in this case, every kind of content can be found in a few easy steps via a search engine such as Google. There are three types of media convergence. The first one is the technological convergence. This happens when new technologies take over the past technologies but perform the same task in the most advanced and efficient way. The second one is the economic convergence. Economic convergence is the digitalization of some companies in using digital media through advertising and promotion of their products with the use of both old and new media. This allows small companies to promote their products to the consumers with the use of some various kinds of media. The last one is the cultural convergence. This is when two or more cultures adopt a trait in one of the most influential to make more the same. The increasing similarities between cultures are not limited based on the belief of consumers, brand, and media. There are two main causes of cultural convergence, and this is acculturation and assimilation. Acculturation is when two weaker cultures adopt a new trait to a most influential culture. And then while the assimilation is when the original culture becomes weaker and clearly vanishes, that results in a replacement of the new and most dominant culture.
From the word convergence is the linking or merging of different types of medium in one, such as books, newspapers, television, or radio that are once distinct are now available to be accessed from one portable device, website, or application. Terry Flew, the author of the book Understanding Global Media from Queensland, Australia, described media convergence as a phenomenon that involves the interconnection of information and communications technologies, computer networks, and media content. This merge of mediums enables computing, communication, and content to be accessible at one place. An example of this convergence is smartphones. With these features, we can access the news, listen to music, watch films, connect with other users, and be producers of content as well. In media convergence, in an article that is available in the internet, it can provide us links that connect us to more information on other resources, and with this diverse array of contents being accessed in one place, enables the cross-media content to emerge. With cross-media content, news articles, for example, do not only provide us with print or text content, but with videos and podcasts and a place for users to give their opinions as well.
For critique and recommendation, there are several benefits brought by media convergence, not only in the expansion and intensification of multimedia and technology, but especially the society with an increasingly competitive environment that demands advanced services. The development of multimedia in media convergence also provides promising user benefits through lesser effort spent in time, greater number of choices, and an increased development among innovative products and services. Through media convergence, users are instantly connected to all available contents with easy accessibility. It blends the traditional and new media, and in addition, this content can be in any form, may it be video, print, podcast, images, or more. The convergence also enables one story to be available in multiple media platforms and provides a wide distribution of contents, reaching therefore wider audiences, and because it is very easy to access, it is cheaper and faster in production. The rise of new technologies and the building of new innovations that everyone uses and can serve them on their everyday needs, there is no doubt that even the media platforms will have a new way that cooperates with the new system. For the use of new technologies, it is easier for the information to spread all over the world, and it is easier for everyone to communicate even in far places. This allowed large companies to own different kinds of media, like television and radio stations and newspaper, which is a brilliant strategy to maintain its audience loyalty, which also increases the company's brand reputation. It builds a big opportunity to the business owners, big or small, to promote their products and services because they will no longer provide any printed materials for endorsing their products to the public. It is easy for them to make any advertisements for their products because they can form new content that can help them in their businesses. Information can transform easily because of the new mode of communication, and it is accessible to everyone. New contents will become accessible and new stories will be provided to the public. The availability of news contents will be blended on traditional media and new media and provide the latest contents to the public. Media convergence also changes a person's lifestyle based on what he or she learned from the other person. With the use of new media platforms and technologies where a person can create a content that he or she can share with others, this will lead to a person adopting to the other person's lifestyle and culture as well.
However, these developments of multimedia services are scared to replace the value given by traditional media, although researchers insist that it will not. Traditional media must also be conserved and constantly utilized, despite the potential increase of range available by media convergence. After all, the people who use it can declare the success of multimedia based on their needs and how they manage the vast options provided by multimedia. Additionally, from all its advantages, there are also challenges that the media convergence bears. Because it enables users and consumers to be producers of content, there is a challenge in people's privacy and copyright, filtration of content from younger audiences, and limitation of what to share. The media is vast, making it difficult to observe protection of privacy the people in stories are involved. It also makes it easy for people to share ideas that are not proven to be theirs. Additionally, because contents are digitized, it is a challenge for people to access information with little to no technological literacy. It can be hard for older audiences to involve themselves, especially to the advancements of technology. Moreover, too much information challenges its credibility, which can also be a challenge for journalists to further prove theirs. A lot of information overwhelms audiences and resulting from users being producers. Making track of what's true information on conflicting stories from different sources is a challenge for users. It is also hard for those people who are influenced by the old type of media to access the new system, and it is hard for them to learn how to use the new media platforms in a digital way. It is prone to crimes that may be used in illegal activities, since there are people who will use this as an opportunity to make any illegal activities with the use of new technologies, and also some people will experience some difficulties and errors in accessing the new system.
Through the growth of new technologies, it is possible that people will change their own way on accessing the media with the use of new technologies. Information will be accessed easily and can be spread across the distant places, and new modes of information will be created through the use of new media platforms. It is recommended to be characterized being responsible in taking different actions and decisions online. Media platforms are intended to help gain information, therefore, applying the rules of ethics is considerable and helpful. We gain enough information, knowledge, and exact data through proper use of any platforms, and being able to evaluate and apply and being responsible media users. Since we bear the major responsibility in utilizing the media is our mission.